In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change candlesticks and volume color in Tradingview. By the end, your charts will be easier to read at a glance, and the colors will match your personal style or strategy. First, let's adjust the candlestick colors. To open the settings, right-click anywhere on your chart and choose Settings, or simply double-click on any candlestick. Both actions take you to the same place. When the Settings window opens, make sure you are on the Symbol tab. This is where Tradingview groups all the visual options for your price candles. Start with the body of the candles. Here, you'll choose colors for bullish candles, which represent rising prices, and bearish candles, which represent falling prices. Pick shades that are easy to distinguish. Many traders prefer a green tone for bullish and a red tone for bearish. But you can choose anything that offers clear contrast and fits your eyes. Your theme, or your background. Next, adjust the borders. The border is the outline of each candle body. Setting a border that stands out slightly from the body color can help you read the chart more precisely, especially when candles are small or densely packed. Then move to the wick colors. Wicks, also called shadows, show the high and low within the candle's time period. Clear wick colors make it easier to see intra-period extremes, which is useful for spotting rejections and volatility. Once you are satisfied with the body, border, and wick colors, click OK to apply your changes. Your chart will update immediately so you can see how everything looks in real time. Now let's match the volume colors to your candles. Look to the top left corner of your chart for the volume label. Click the gear icon next to it to open the volume settings. In the Style tab, you'll find options for growing and falling volume bars. Growing typically corresponds to an up move and falling to a down move. Choose colors that mirror your candlestick scheme, so volume and price action are visually aligned. This consistency makes it quicker to confirm whether a strong move had strong participation when your colors are set. Click OK to apply. Take a moment to scan your chart. If any colors blend into the background or feel too similar, reopen the same settings and tweak them until your eyes can separate price and volume effortlessly. That's it. Thanks for watching.